Hi everyone, welcome to Bitcoin episode 6. This is just a weekly review of where Bitcoin is going in the long term and also if there's any intraday opportunities for the week. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to start this chart from scratch, I'm just going to carry on from last week. Remember, you trap the price on weekly between two weekly levels. You don't have to start your analysis from scratch every time. I just did it to show you how I mark the charts, but in this case this black line represents where I did my last weekly review. So if you remember, I said price would be reaching this daily support level. So the black line shows you last week. This is new price action. So I'll just from last week, what we were expecting was price to retrace to this zone here, which it has. And then there was two options. So it could either retrace back up, where it's made a high low, and go up to this level, or if price is bearish, where there'd be massive selling pressure on Bitcoin, then it would breach this support. It'll now act as a resistance, and then it would go all the way down. So in this case, as we predicted, price made a higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, all-time high, higher low, high, higher low, because it hasn't breached the previous high low, so it's still bullish. If it breached this place here, if it breached this zone here, this level, then price would be bearish. But in this case it's still bullish. As you can see, it's retraced it and it's gone back up. So let's get rid of these drawings and carry on. So retested this and now it's going back up to this 73,000. So that's what we can predict. So price is still in between your two daily levels, which is fine. That's your all-time high. If you go on the H4 time frame, this is the most recent, this is support, the most recent high low, that's the most recent higher high. Well, this one is, I'll leave it here. As you can see, price has now breached it. So if you go on to the fib retracement tool and you get it from the higher low to the higher high, the most recent, you can see this level here, and if price does breach it, you can expect it to go to TP1 or TP2, and it looks as though live price action Monday the 25th of March, it looks as though it's going to go to minus 61. So that's the H4. If I go into the H1 time frame, this will make it clearer if you're intraday trading. So this is a day before Sunday's price action. Remember, you can trade crypto on the weekend as well, not like Forex with the markets closed. So as you can see, when market opened 8 o'clock, you could have took a potential sell trade, but it's a good thing you didn't. But even if you did and you lost the trade, it would have been a good loss, because you're trading at the level. Prices look bearish here and it's going down, but it's just continued to go up. So in the long term, if you look at H4, you can see price breached that resistance and now it's gone up all the way to minus 61. Look at that, it's breached it as we've just been speaking. So it's breached this minus 61. It could potentially retrace further before going up, but long term wise we do expect it to go to 73,000. So this week we can expect Bitcoin to retrace to all-time highs, and from there we'll see what the momentum is like during the week, whether price is going to go up here, retrace and come back down, or if it's going to make an all-time high, breach it, go up and go all the way up to the 81,000. So yeah, that's the analysis of Bitcoin episode 6. I hope you enjoyed this quick analysis. I will be back next week just to see what's going on with Bitcoin, if it has surpassed this level or if it's going to retrace back down. Thank you everyone, like, share and subscribe.